Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Layers in Adobe Photoshop CS6. Once again, I repeat the topic Introduction to Layers in Adobe Photoshop CS6. What is a layer? A layer refers to a fundamental concept in digital image editing. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on a top of each other, where you can place and manipulate different elements of your design independently. Each layer can contain various elements such as images, text, shapes, adjustment, and effects. In order to explain the layers, we need to open Adobe Photoshop CS6. How to open Adobe Photoshop CS6? It's quite simple. Go to the taskbar where you can find Adobe Photoshop CS6 icon. Just click the icon in order to open it. When you click the icon, it will take you to the user interface. The next task is we want to create a layer. In order to create a layer, I'm going to drag and drop an image from desktop. Now we can see a default layer background is created with a lock symbol. The background layer refers to the default bottom layer of an image document. It's automatically generated when you create a new document and usually fills the entire canvas with a solid color or transparency depending on your settings. Now we are going to create an adjustment layer. To create an adjustment layer, just go to the bottom where you can find a create new file or adjustment layer. The second option is go to layer menu where you can find new adjustment layer, where we can see plenty of options. We can choose an option based on the requirement. You can use any one of these options. I'm going to create a new adjustment layer, brightness and contrast. I'm going to change the value of brightness and contrast in order to create a new adjustment layer. Now you can see a new adjustment layer was created. The symbol indicates that this layer mask is linked to layer. It means that this layer is linked to the background layer. Now we are going to create two text layers by using type tool. In the first layer, I'm going to type good, and in second layer, I'm going to type morning. Now I'm going to change the text layer to font color. Double click the layer morning and go to the color, pick a color and click OK. I'm going to draw a rectangle by using a rectangle tool so that it will create a new layer called as rectangle 1. Double click on the thumbnail color in order to change the background color. Choose a color as you like and click OK. Now I'm going to change the opacity value to 30% so that we can able to see the background image. Uncheck the layer visibility of rectangle 1 so that you can see the original image. You can check and uncheck the layer visibility based on your requirement. Next we are going to discuss about the option lock. The option lock consists of 4 options, namely lock transparent pixel, lock image pixel, lock position and lock all. I'm going to uncheck the layer visibility of all layers except background layer. I'm going to create a duplicate layer for background in order to explain lock transparent pixel. And now we have background layer and copy of the background layer. Click the background copy layer and click the option lock transparent pixel. I'm going to use the erase tool to erase the image. When I try to erase the image, you can see the red color. Since the background color is red, it's showing red color. I will change the background color to white and I will try to erase the image. Now you can see the white color. Since we use the option lock transparent pixel, we cannot able to see the transparent background. I'm going to remove the lock transparent pixel and when I try to erase the image, now you can see the transparent background. And this is the actual use of lock transparent pixel. The next option we are going to say is lock image pixel. This option is used to lock the pixels of an image. We can resize an image without affecting the pixels. Using this option, we can increase or decrease the size of an image without affecting the image quality. The next option is lock position. Select the background copy layer and click the option lock position. I'm going to use the move tool and try to move the image. When I try to move the image, it shows a warning message, the layer is locked and cannot be moved. This is the actual use of lock position. After removing the lock position, we can able to move the image as we like. The next option we are going to say is lock all. Lock all will lock a layer completely and we cannot able to do any task. By default, lock all option is applied to background layer. Since we cannot able to change anything in the background layer, if you want to change anything in the background layer, we want to remove the option lock all. The next task we are going to see is how to delete a layer. Select the layer you wish to delete and drag the layer to the bin icon at the bottom. The layer will be deleted automatically. A layer with any kind of lock can be deleted except lock all. See, a layer with lock transparent pixel and lock image pixel and lock position can be deleted. Just drag the layer to the bin icon, the layer will be automatically deleted. We cannot able to delete a layer with lock all option. Lock all option prevents a layer from everything, from deleting, from resizing, from everything. Next we are going to see is group and how to use the group. We can group the layers by using the option group. I am going to create a group and rename the group as text. Select the layer and drag the layer to the group text. If you uncheck the option group visibility, all the layers inside the group are invisible. Now you can see the text are invisible since the two layers are inside the group. The next option we are going to see is search, which consists of kind, name, effect, mode, attribute, and color. The option search is used to search a layer by name. The option effect is used to group the layers by the effect. The mode option in the search bar allows you to filter search result based on the specific criteria or properties related to the layers or documents in your project. The next option is attribute. This feature is particularly useful when you need to locate elements that shares common characteristics such as size, color, blending mode, opacity, and other attributes. The next option is color. This feature is particularly useful when you need to locate elements that shares a common color or when you want to find objects based on their color properties. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all in the next video.